Hi, I'm Adriana. I'm a special effects paint expert with Resene, and today I'm going to show you how to do a rust effect. The rust effect gives you a sense of nostalgia and presence. It looks great on outdoor art and indoor feature walls. Use Resene Effects Faux Rust Effect to create it. Prep your wall first with Resene Broadwall sealer. Then apply your rust effects range. The paint has small metal grits in it, so it's a different texture when you're applying it. When that's dry, apply a second coat. Once that's dry too, you're ready for the Resene Rust Effect activator. Use a big brush and apply it all over the wall. If you want more rust in one area, you can be creative, or you can make rust strips. It's entirely up to you. After 1 hour, you'll see it taking effect, and the majority of the rust will develop in 12 hours. You can spray clean water on it for a deeper rust effect. Regular water misting will deepen the rust effect colour,